Pozdrav svima, ja sam Marija iz fitness centra Top Form, a danas je sa mnom Lola Besson iz Pariza, iz Francuske i želi podijeliti svoje iskustvo sa vama. Lola je ovdje od veljače, radi projekte vezano za EPK, Europsku prijestolnicu kulture. Lola, thanks for being here and for accepting sharing your story and experience with our followers. So first question, why did you join us?
Well, when I first arrived in Rijeka in February, I really wanted to do sport, and I thought that the best way was to join a gym. So, well, that's why I happened to join the club.
Okay. What has almost stopped you from joining us? Did you have some insecurities, questions, problems?
Well, it's always a little bit weird when you first want to join a gym because you don't know who are the people, if you're going to like it. So I think it's always easy to postpone it and to say what I'm going to do it next week or next week or next week. And but at the end, it's just like one night it was after my work and I was passing by and I just told myself, okay, let's go. And I came here and I think I came to do the first training the same day or the next day. I think it was the same day, and yes, that's it. So yeah, I think I could have just postponed it, but I just passed by and I came and I started.
Okay, and what do you like the most in our programs?
Well, I like the fact that I'm doing several things. For example, I do like body transform, Pilates, and kickboxing. So I like the fact that I'm combining different things. Like that, I really feel that I'm treating my body in a different way, and I think it's the best.
Yeah, great. And what is the greatest value you get through our programs and you didn't expect it at the beginning?
Well, it's definitely, I didn't expect it to start kickboxing. Like, first I joined the gym and I thought I was going to join like a gym where I was only going to do weights or things like that. And at the end, well, you asked me if I wanted to try it, and I never thought I would do kickboxing ever. And at the end, I started it and I'm really enjoying it now. So,
right.
Yeah.
What are your results? What did you achieve?
Well, I really feel that I'm building my muscles, and I think that's really important. And I can see it, well, first because I can see that I'm stronger in my body, and I see it with the shape of my body also that already changed since I joined the gym.
Great, and it's in 4 months.
Yes,
results.
in 4 months. Yeah.
Great results for 4
Yeah,
months.
yeah, absolutely.
Would you recommend our programs?
Yes, definitely, because as I said, I'm doing like Pilates, body transform, and kickboxing. So there's at least one program that can fit for anybody. Like for someone who's not used to do sport, maybe Pilates or even other things because you can do on your own. You don't have to go as strongly as the other people or to do as much as the other one. You can do on your own and live with your own progress. So yeah.
Great. What is your message to everybody out there who are maybe thinking about joining us but not 100% sure?
Well, I can only say, well, the people should give it a try because I believe nothing bad can happen to joining the gym and to do sports. Like there's only benefits. For example, of course, sometimes I'm like not super excited or motivated to come here, and sometimes I'm tired and I'm thinking, oh, I would like to just stay in my sofa and just relax. But every time I come anyway, and after every training, I'm really feeling great, happy, and I'm proud of myself because I achieved something. So it's a really nice feeling, and you really feel proud about yourself after every training. So yeah, everybody should at least give it a try. In the worst case, well, people really hate it and doesn't like it, but I don't think it can happen. Everybody who is doing sport just enjoying it, and after you just have to stay motivated a little bit, and after you cannot live without it.
Great. And when you come back to France, will you continue with our online program?
Yes, but since with the quarantine I was doing like the online program, and yes, I really like it because I have a new training every day on my computer, so I can train whenever I want, which is really useful because sometimes I prefer to work out in the morning or in the evening, so like I can just adjust with my schedule, so it's really, even if I have like for now 1 hour where I can do training, so it's really useful.
Yes. If you compare our fitness programs and our club with programs and clubs in France, is there any difference or not?
Well, yes, it's really different from all the other gyms I've been to before, because here with you and all the other person of the gym, you already have a connection, and there is everybody is following you, and you're not just alone in the gym to do weights and to not know how to use a machine, for example, and everybody is really here to help you and to follow you with your goals, especially, and it's really nice because with the collective group training and now with the online training, you are really doing something and you know that you're doing it right, and so you're not coming to top form if you want to just do your weights and after go home. It's also like to meet new people and to really spend a good time at the end.
Yeah. So thank you, Lola, very much. I know that your story, your experience will be of great use for our followers. Dragi pratitelji, evo vjerujem i sigurna sam da vam je Lolina priča motivirajuća i da će vam služiti. Kada krećete sa svojim fitness ciljevima ili kada već ostvarite određeni napredak, dolazi do novih izazova i komplikacija o kojima vi ne znate ništa. Zato su svi naši programi podijeljeni u vrlo jednostavne faze koje je jednostavno pratiti i zato ukoliko želite ostvariti svoje fitness ciljeve na jednostavan način uz stručno vodstvo, rezervirajte poziv, proći ćemo vaše ciljeve, vidjet ćemo koji su vam točno sve prepreke i što točno trebate napraviti da ostvarite svoje ciljeve. Rezervirajte poziv i proći ćemo detaljnije vašu situaciju. Hvala puno na pažnji i lijep pozdrav iz Top Forma!